Welcome to Digital Skillwork Studio, where digital skills come to life. My goal is to guide you through clear, beginner-friendly lessons that make learning digital tools simple, enjoyable, and stress-free. In this lesson, you will learn how to use text styles and hierarchy in Canva. Text hierarchy helps your viewer understand what information is most important. When your headings, subheadings, and body text are organized clearly, your design becomes easier to read and much more visually appealing. Text hierarchy is the visual order of importance in your text. Headings are usually the largest and draw the most attention. Subheadings are medium-sized and help organize sections. Body text is smaller and used for details. Using these levels correctly guides the viewer's eye through your design. Canva includes built-in text styles that make it easy to create hierarchy. In the text panel, you'll find pre-made combinations that already include headings, subheadings, and decorative styles. These styles help you create consistent text layouts quickly. This example shows how font, size, and color work together to create text hierarchy. The main heading uses a bold, large font to draw attention. The subheading is smaller and lighter, helping organize information. The body text is the smallest and uses a softer color for readability. These simple adjustments make your design clear and visually balanced. Contrast plays an important role in making your text readable. When your text color stands out clearly from the background, your viewer can read it without effort. Dark text on a light background or light text on a dark background creates strong contrast. Low contrast combinations can make your text difficult to see, even if the font and size are correct. Grouping and spacing work together to create a clear visual flow. When a heading, subheading, and body text are placed close together, the viewer instantly understands they belong to the same section. Line spacing and letter spacing help your text breathe and make paragraphs easier to read. Good grouping and spacing keep your layout organized and guide the viewer smoothly through your design. Alignment helps your text look organized and intentional. Left alignment is the easiest to read and works well for most designs. Center alignment is great for titles or simple layouts. Right alignment is used less often but can work in certain styles. Choose the alignment that fits your design. Alignment works best when it's paired with consistent margins. Keeping your text aligned along the same invisible edge creates a clean and professional layout. When margins are uneven or text is scattered, the design feels unbalanced. Consistent alignment and margins help your viewer move through the content smoothly. Spacing helps your text breathe and makes it easier to read. Line spacing controls the space between lines in a paragraph. Letter spacing adjusts the space between characters. Adding space above or below your headings helps separate sections and keeps your layout clean. Text effects can add emphasis when used carefully. Canva includes effects like shadow, outline, and lift. These can help a heading stand out, but using too many effects can make your design look cluttered. A light touch usually works best. Consistency is key to a professional design. Use the same heading style throughout your project. Keep your body text the same size and font. When your text styles match across your design, everything looks cleaner and more polished. Here is a quick summary. Use headings, subheadings, and body text to create hierarchy. Choose fonts that match your style. Use size, color, and spacing to guide the viewer's eye. Use alignment and effects carefully, and keep your text styles consistent across your entire design. You now understand how to use text styles and hierarchy in Canva. In the next lesson, you will learn how to use backgrounds, textures, and patterns to enhance your designs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Your support helps this channel grow. I'll see you in the next tutorial.